Well, I got a package from Ron Anderson today from Justice Pedal Steels. So we are going to open this up here. I know you can't see this part, but you all know what's going on. It's a big box and doesn't fit quite in the frame, but we'll get the case out and get her opened up and see how she looks. Looks like it's pretty well packaged, not that you can see it. All right, I'm going to pause and I'll be back with the case. All right. Well, I have the case out of the box, and we can go ahead and open it up and get Stella out of her case. So there we go. Looks like we've got our leg bag, bag of tools. Got a little bag of tools here that has looks like it has a tuning wrench and some Allen wrenches, probably for all the little adjustments. Looks like there's 3 Allen wrenches in there and a tuning wrench. Awesome. Okay, the leg bag. It's got 4 legs and 3 rods. Perfect. Here is our pedal bar. Take that out. It says Justice right on the front there. See? Justice. And there she is. So let's go ahead and the way I understand it is the back legs have red, so we're going to look for, let's see if there's any red on the end of the rod, and in this case there isn't, so that must be one of these back rods. Go ahead and put that on. See what this one looks like. That one is plain too, so that one will go over here. Ah, oops, fell down. Trying to reach too far. There we go. The thing about these, I've always been warned about these things to make sure you don't end up cross-threading them. So I'm always pretty careful. This one's got the red end, so it will go in the red hole, like so. One more will go in the red hole over here. We can go ahead and put our pedal rack on. Like so. Tighten up our bars. I guess I'm just slightly out of camera range there. We're just tightening up the bars that hold the pedals on, and now we can grab our pedal rods. And these pedal rods are labeled. The way they label them at Justice is you've got little notches, little stripes on there. This one has 3 of them, so that will be pedal number 3. So in he goes down here. And these are not adjusted in any way, shape, or form right now. So we're just going to hook them up and we'll adjust the pedals a little bit later. Okay, here's number 3. This one is number 2. So that one will go in the number 2 slot. right here. And the last one, of course, by elimination has to be number 1, and indeed it is. Got one little stripe on there. So where is it? There it is. One stripe goes in the number 1 petal hole down here. Come on, there we go. And this guy goes right in there like that. There we go. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's move the case back, and we're ready to pull her out. Kind of a move that once you play pedal steel for a while, you kind of get used to this motion. And we'll put her down right there. All right. So there she is. Brand new Justice Pro Light. Take a little tour. There's the pickup and the changer section over there, and working our way up here. Key head and whatnot. Has a nice black pad. So there she is, Justice Pro Light. So now off to get her hooked up and give her a trial run. I'll have you back later for that. Thanks for stopping by. Later.